I was in a module, I was in a dorm. And they move around for some reason up in there, but sometimes if you got like crimes and shit, niggas get wristbands where they only stuck on certain floors, you feel me? But yeah, they be moving niggas around in the county kinda. I was in 4800, I was with Lil Sodi in 4800 for a minute, for some months. But then they just moved me to West Side and shit, so I don't know, they just do that shit.
What was it like chilling with Lil Sodi, man? Rest in peace.
When I first met Cuz, he was like, you know, it was a gangster module, so SuWhoop, Moovin Groovin. So like, you know, he looking at me basically like I'm with the neighborhoods or something, you feel me? But I'm really from 20s, like we not neighborhood, but we rolling, you know what I'm saying? It's a couple hoods that's rolling in our neighborhood. But in the county, it really don't matter, you feel me? Cause like, you know what I'm saying, they fuck with the ops, so, and we fuck with them. So it's like, you know what I'm saying, it is what it is. So when he seen me, he was like looking at me like, he told me like, oh, he was a
trustee?
Not a trustee, the nigga that just like in the pod, like, you know what I'm saying? But Cuz came to my cell, was like, where you from? I'm from 20 Crips. He like, oh, he said, whoop for me insane in here, Cuz y'all gonna line it up. I like, say less, Cuz. He like, you know Cuz? I'm like, nah. He say some shit like, see, you gotta know who the fuck you beefing with. Like, I'm like on the hood. But then he sent a nigga to my cell, and the nigga like, I know Cuz, like I don't know, he got hella family from 20s. He just looked at me like, oh, what's up, nigga? What you in here for? Woo. I like, and then it was just nothing. So like when Lil Sodi seen that, you know what I'm saying, nigga get respect, he just was like trying to be cool. He was like bringing me shit, all type of shit.
So you end up knowing that dude, low key?
Yeah, I knew him, but he changed his name in the county. That's how niggas, you feel me? He changed his name, so I didn't know what the fuck they was calling Cuz.
So Lil Sodi was in there trying to line everybody up.
Nah, he was, what's that shit called? What's that shit in the module, and it like it's like a trustee, but it ain't. Trustee, Cuz, but in the county, trustees, the niggas with the greens. Like he was like, yeah, basically a rap, Cuz. He the nigga that come out and cleaned up and basically, Cuz. Yeah, like a trustee, Cuz. He was the trustee. Now, Lil Sodi, Cuz was cool. My cousin was down for fighting a life sentence, Cuz. So he was up in there for a minute, and him and my cousin was cool. So one day my cousin come down, cause he like the nigga in a white shirt. He getting signed up for school and shit. So he come down, holla at me and shit, and Lil Sodi was right there, and you know, he was like, oh, it's your cousin, and it just was cool since then.
I wonder what year this was, because I think he went in
2015.
Okay, yeah. You know, I did his last interview.
Yeah.
And then he died in that car accident, like
Vegas.
The next
like
day.
Going to Vegas or coming from Vegas or something. I don't know.
He was on the Pear Blossom on his way to Victorville.
Oh yeah, okay.
He was dropping off the OG that was in the interview with him. That he died in the accident. His uncle actually.
Yeah. I don't know. I think I was in jail and shit.
This was
I think I was out for sure.
No, this last year,
Yeah, I was in Houston.
2024. I'm sorry, 2023.
2023. I was in Houston.
Oh, okay. All right. So, how long did you stay in the county before you end up getting shipped out?
My first term, since I took the case so fast, I probably was in there for like 3, 4 months, 5 months or something. But my second term, I was in there for like 9 months.
And let me ask you this county jail question that was going on the internet. Is it gangster to run 10 fades? Or if you run in 10 fades, that means you ain't getting respected?
I feel
like... Have you heard that question lately online?
No, I ain't been hearing that like that. That's just if you know, I don't know, some niggas just be so mad at their case or just tripping. So the county get real ugly because niggas going through a lot. Niggas went from just doing whatever the fuck and then locked up because the police put up. But it get like that for sure, but I feel like whoever need to fade could just run it other than, you know what I'm saying?
Is there a minimum though? Like a 3 fade minimum?
It really, like, to me, it depends on how many of your enemies in your dorm or something. Yeah. You just at least run them right there. Then anybody else, it really be over other shit. You feel me? Like I done had like on my last term, I was fighting a lot of people that wasn't even from Long Beach. You feel me? But I was in a pen. I was fighting a lot of niggas that wasn't from Long Beach because I was hustling. I was getting a lot of money, so it was like a lot of jealousy. I feel like not even just jealousy, it's just, you know, some niggas get mad. Oh, cuz ain't giving out deals. You know, weird shit, cuz, but you can fight anybody. It ain't about just only ops. Niggas, it's hella niggas that's just man.